Good day, Paulinians. Welcome to Pauline ETV, your partner for learning, innovation, and life formation. Welcome to science class for grade 5 learners. Today, I will going to talk about how organisms interact in an ecosystem, specifically in estuaries and intertidal zones. What is ecosystem? An ecosystem is a place such as a rotting log, a forest, or even a schoolyard, where interaction between living and non-living things occur. All living organisms and non-living parts within a place are interacting all the time, and adjustments occur if the organisms are to survive. After identifying what is ecosystem, another important terms you need to learn are ecology and ecologist. Ecology is the study of the relationship between living organisms and their environment, and an ecologist is someone who studies these relationships. Let's go deeper on the lesson. An ecosystem is a community of living organisms, plants, animals and microbes, together with the non-living components of the environment, like air, water, and mineral soil, interacting as a system. Organisms have their own roles in an ecosystem. Let's proceed to the roles of producers, consumers, and decomposers. What are the roles of primary producers? Plants in an ecosystem are considered primary producers because they supply nearly all the energy or food that other species needs to survive. Plants including flowers, trees, seaweeds, algae and much more sustain themselves not from other species in the ecosystem, but from mere sunlight. What are the role of consumers? Plants provide energy to consumer species, which include animals of all types, from bees to lobster, to rabbits to humans. Consumers may obtain their energy directly from primary producers. Those who get their energy by eating primary producers, plants, are known as herbivores. Such as cow, goat, deer, horse, gorilla, and tortoise. Those who obtain their energy by eating other consumers, animals, are called carnivores. Like lion, wolf, leopard, tiger, polar bear, and cheetah. And those who acquire their energy from mixture of producers, plants, and other consumers, animals, are known as omnivores. We have pig, dog, bear, chimpanzee, and squirrels. Role of decomposers. Consumers and producers produce waste and eventually die. Certain species get their energy consumers' waste products while they're living and from their remains when they're deceased. Decomposition is the process of turning dead material into nutrients that plants can use as food. These species are known as decomposers, and include different types of bacteria, fungi, worms and more. Interaction of living organisms in estuary and intertidal zone. Estuary. An estuary is a body of water in which the fresh water from rivers and streams flows into the ocean and mix with the seawater. Estuaries and the land surrounding them are places of transition from land to sea, and from fresh water to saltwater. Many different habitat types are found in and around estuaries, including shallow open waters, salt marshes, freshwater lakes, swamps, sandy beaches, sand flats, mud, rocky shores, oyster reefs, mangrove forests, river deltas, tidal pools, seagrasses. The productivity and variety of estuarine habitats create abundance and diversity of wildlife. Shorebirds, fishes, crabs, lobsters, marine mammals, clams and other shellfish, marine worm, Seabirds and reptiles are just some of the animals that make their home there. Intertidal zone. The intertidal zone, also known as the littoral zone in marine aquatic environment, is the area in the foreshore and seabed that is exposed to the air at low tide and submerged at high tide. In the intertidal zone, the most common organisms are small, and most are relatively uncomplicated organisms. This is for a variety of reasons. First, the supply of water which marine organisms require to survive is intermittent. Second, the wave action around the shore can wash away or dislodge poorly suited or adapted organisms. Third, because of the intertidal zone's high exposure to the sun, the temperature range can be extreme from very hot to near freezing in frigid climates, with cold seas. Lastly, the salinity is much higher in the intertidal zone because salt water trapped in rock pools evaporates, leaving behind salt deposits. That ends our video lesson. This is Poline ETV, your partner for learning innovation and life formation. Thanks for watching.